This is where I'd like to inform you about La Fondation, the Dassault Systèmes CSR initiative, and this is Seed the Future Entrepreneur Program. So what we've done is every year, more than 100 schools are selected from across India. They're trained as to how to build a startup from identifying a product, designing it using 3D technologies. And the finale of this year's program was recognized at G20 event under Startup 20 track as well. And the teams also received an opportunity to present their work to Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, on various occasions. So today, in fact, right now, we have some very smart and savvy students from 2 schools to showcase their innovation that have been created using 3D digital technologies. I want all of you to stay tuned. This is something that we're eagerly looking forward to. Let me tell you, 2 schools, we've got the students. Now, the first set of students from the school, Paljore Namgyal Girls School, Gangtok, Sikkim, will be sharing their presentation. But let me tell you something. They were supposed to join us to make their presentation live, but there was a landslide that took place because of which they couldn't travel all the way to Bangalore. But I'll tell you what, the best part about these students, nothing will stop them from sharing their idea with you. So what we've done is we've taken the video, and through video, we're going to share their idea with you, their innovation. So ladies and gentlemen, first up, let's hear it for Paljore Namgyal Girls School, Gangtok, Sikkim. Can we have a round of applause? We'll have their video on the screen. Let's hear it out to their idea. Here we go.
Hello everyone watching this. Unfortunately, we cannot join you today due to the current situation of our state that is caused by a heavy cloud burst and rainfall, resulting in multiple landslides and floods all over the state.
Disha, what are they so excited about?
Well, why wouldn't they be? They finally got a solution to their problem by using our product, IO.
So let's share about our exciting journey with La Fondation, Dassault Systèmes, Seed the Future Entrepreneurs Season 2022 to 2023. IO comes from a common Nepali word, which literally means it's there or it has been fixed. And it is similar to the Hindi word aa gaya. Under the theme Rural Ecosystem, our team identified an existing local problem and we could come up with a solution to it. Sikkim is blessed with abundant spring water source, and besides the PHE connections, over 75 to 80% of houses rely upon these sources as their primary or backup water source. So what happens is from the spring water source, we make temporary barricades known as thara or mun, and from there to our houses and hotels, we make temporary pipeline connections as you can see in the picture.
To connect these many pipes, we use a traditional pipe connector called tuti, which is also a cutout part of a rubber pipe. This tuti is placed between the 2 pipes and is tied with a rubber strips at the ends. This requires significant strength, which is only possible if a male member or a strong mother is in the family. Well, the second issue is the constriction of pipes owing to Bernoulli's principle. Also, if not fixed in time, a significant amount of water, which is a precious natural resource, is lost. Our product, IO, is an improvisation to the traditionally used connectors called tuti. The first issue of requiring significant strength was solved by designing a zip tie mechanism, as you can see in the picture. The second issue was resolved by incorporating a bulge in the middle. This magic was created by using a team collaborative platform, without which IO would not have existed. And also a video showing how easy and simple it is to use IO locally without needing any sophisticated fixing.
So this is the community where we could share our progress, and communication was very easy.
The next slide is the final design of IO and also a QR code for you to scan and visit our website. In this way, IO has empowered women and children of the family and also contributed to the sustainability goal of conserving water to some extent. IO made in Sikkim, loved by India.
As we look back now, all of this was only possible due to the support and opportunity provided by La Fondation, Dassault Systems, and Atal Innovation Mission. We are thankful to you for providing us with such a great team collaborative platform, which made working together with the mentors and friends easy and effective. Being a part of See the Future Entrepreneurs Program, our school was given multiple opportunities to show our products. Panel discussion in G20 Shikhar Summit was a great opportunity to interact with so many startup experts. These are the pictures of the 2 seasons in which we participated. It was an honor to meet the Honorable Prime Minister and Dr. Chintan Vaishnav, Mission Director of Atal Innovation Mission.
Personally, as a student, it was truly a transformative journey, and Seed the Future Entrepreneurs Program was an incredible opportunity that was provided. Moreover, the connections we made within the program have been invaluable as we attended the recent Startup 20 Shikhar Summit in Gurugram. We shall always remain grateful to our teachers, school champion, Hemant sir, Shreyas sir, our parents and the school for this lifetime experience and memories. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, IO, made in Sikkim, loved by India. What a phenomenal idea and wonderful day indeed. We're going to quickly now invite our next set of speakers. And this time we have students from Jnana Prabodhini Prashala, Pune. We have the students right here. Can we have a youthful round of applause to welcome them right here on stage?
Hello all, I am Shlok.
And I am Yash.
We are 10th grade students from Jnana Prabodhini Prashala, Pune. We participated in the Seed the Future Entrepreneurs season 2022. We started a pseudo startup called Pratimita and we are here today to present our product Elifire. So we have tried to address a specific problem occurring during firefighting. Let us see what it is. So, as you can see here, firefighters face a lot of difficulties when they are doing their work. Especially in tight spaces, the conventional fire mechanisms or fire trucks cannot reach the actual place and extinguish the fire efficiently. So we decided to use biomimicry to design a solution for this problem. We decided to incorporate the elephant trunk mechanism in our project. So the elephant's trunk is a really flexible muscular organ which has a really high degree of freedom and it is really accurate and precise. Biomimicry means taking inspiration from nature's designs that have been perfected through thousands of years of evolution. We decided to convert this elephant's trunk into a mechanical assembly and then use it to extinguish fires.
Our main idea was to create a mechanical elephant trunk which would precisely and targetedly spray the water. And that could be also controlled remotely by the firefighter. Further productizing this idea, we used programming and electronics to drive the mechanism of this arm. This is the workflow of our model. So we have developed a software in which the user, in this case the firefighter, would input his commands and those would be sent to the controller. The controller would then send these commands to the driving components of our mechanism, which would finally move the arm. These are the mechanisms that we have developed. The first one was the swash plate mechanism, which was inspired from the swash plate of the helicopter. Then we switched to a pulley mechanism due to the lower degree of freedom of swash plate mechanism. We are currently developing a belt drive mechanism, which would be more compact and have a greater degree of freedom. To convert these ideas into reality, we use the 3D designing softwares provided to us. Also, to manage our pseudo startup, we used the 3D experience platform to manage our startup. This is the product line of our product. These three products would be used for the three different use cases.
So further talking about our journey, we started by brainstorming about different ideas. We decided to use biomimicry and then we started sketching our ideas out on paper. Then we used different things like 3D printers, laser cutters, etc. to actually convert that designs into reality. Here is a picture of us assembling the actual product. Finally, last month, we got the opportunity to interact with the Honorable Prime Minister of India. It was a very encouraging and motivating moment for us, where he was keenly asking about the working of our model. I thank La Fondation Dassault Systems for giving us this memorable opportunity and this great learning experience. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I must admit, I think we are all intrigued by these beautiful minds.